Hey everyone, and I'm John. I'm here to present a video tutorial of how function work in mathematics. Understanding the function of mathematics, a simple guide to input, output in real-life example. What is a function? A function is a mathematical rule that assigns exactly one output for every input. It's like a machine where you place a number inside, apply a rule like multiplying or adding, and always get only one result. No matter how many times you use the same input, the function will always give the same output. That's why functions are predictable. They are used in solving equations, analyzing patterns, and even in real-life situations like a calculator, apps, and machine, where each action has a clear result. Function notation. Nakita nyo sa screen na ata dre f tapos parenthesis. So sa sunod sa parenthesis is na x. Pagbasa ni is f of x. Sa right side nata example, f of x equal to x plus 3. Sample problem is f of 2 equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is the function notation. So natay input output table there, no? So x equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. So sa right side natay function na f of x equal to x plus 1. Nasa output na 1, 3, 5, and 7. And I have a video show how function work. Nanong ang output niya is 1, 3, 5, and 7. So kani nga video, pakita lang ako diri ang duha ka example, no, which is 0 and 1. Mo ni ang first example, no. X is equal to 0. May function na f of x equal to x plus 1. And solve na to sila, no. 0 daw is equal to x. So ang sulod sa parenthesis nga x is mahimong 0 tungod ang value sa x is 0. F of 0 equal to 2. Kung x nga tapad nito mahimo siyang 0, mahimo siyang 0 plus 1. Solve na to sila. 2 times 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. Sunod, solve na to si 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the output. And second example, natay x is equal to 1. Function, same function lang yapon. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Same lang yapon nga pag-solve. Kung x nga nasa parenthesis, mahimo siya 1 tungod ang x kay value niya is 1. Tapad nito nga x is mahimong 1. Solve na to. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then plus 1. Solve na to din si 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So mao ni yang output. And mo lang to, no, nga video, and I hope na sabtan ninyo ang function. So proceed na ta sa next slide. Sa second slide makita na to diri nga nay relation na sa sa first row sa relation ay 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Function ba ni siya? And yes, tungod na siya 1 output per input. Sa second row na relation ay 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 4. Function ba ni siya? No. Tungod ang 1 ay duha ka output. Reminder, if an input gives two different output, it's not a function. A short summary of function. A function is like a machine that takes an input, follow a rule, and gives only one output. For every input, there must be exactly one result. This makes function predictable and reliable, just like calculator, vending machine, and mobile apps. Always remember, one input must give one output. That's what makes it a function.